Start with the Uber app overview. Enter a destination, compare available ride options, review the displayed price, and request the trip only when everything looks correct. Before requesting, confirm the app is installed, your account is accessible, location permissions are available, and a valid payment method is ready for this trip. On Uber's official guide, review the request flow from pickup location through destination, ride selection, confirmation, and driver matching before using the app. Next, prepare the trip details carefully. Choose the correct pickup point, confirm the destination, and check whether the selected ride fits your needs and timing. The pickup marker matters, especially at airports, campuses, or busy streets, so move it to a safe, recognizable meeting point before continuing with the request. Use the official change location guidance to understand how pickup locations can be adjusted when the original point is inconvenient, inaccurate, or difficult for a driver to reach. Now examine upfront pricing. Compare the displayed fare, ride category, and estimated arrival before you commit to the request and confirm the selected option. Pricing can depend on route, demand, timing, and local conditions, so read the fare shown for this specific trip rather than relying on an old estimate. On Uber's upfront pricing page, review how the displayed amount is presented and which trip details can affect what you see before requesting the ride. When the details look right, request the ride, verify the driver and vehicle information, and move to the confirmed pickup point without blocking traffic. After matching, compare the driver name, vehicle description, and license plate with the app before entering, then wait in the designated pickup area. Review the official Rider Help Center for answers about trip issues, account questions, safety concerns, payment topics, and support options relevant to your situation. Before finishing, review the route and destination one more time, keep communication inside the app, and preserve trip details if support is needed later. If something changes, consult the relevant help topic instead of guessing, and use the app's visible trip information to describe the issue clearly to support. Finish by checking the official rider help resources, confirming your trip information, and choosing the support topic that best matches your situation before contacting support.